Subscribers, welcome back to Be8t channel 1 Plus, and I'm your girl Bella. Asakwam na palavada agwukwa agwu nke adikwa egwu. A girl that they have not married, a wife to be, is already threatening to beat up her mother-in-law. You can imagine. I don't need to say much, but you need to listen to this girl talk and hear her and how she's planning to go and beat up a woman that have 7 boys in her house. Just watch the video.
You can see I'm already on my way. Because of your mother-in-law, I dress like this. Very decent, long gown. So tell her to be reasonable. I don't know what is called mother-in-law being crazy or so, because I'm more crazy. I would beat her. I would beat your mother. So caution your mother that person coming is not all that okay mentally. I will still respect her. I'm coming.
Let's just be honest. Social media is very nice. Your voice is your word. Your word is your whatever. But tell me why this girl onya like organic. Because you forget that now this video will haunt you for the rest of your life. You will get married. First of all, edition no one do this girl. You dress up to go and see your husband's family, and you start threatening that if the woman do anyhow, that you start beating her up. Because no more now in a amuronwa. That's why some guys who do that is full on in this social media. I don't know. That's why this is the reason why guys in diaspora are afraid of Nigerian women, because of this kind of people. We're going to meet online just to get attention. The truth is that she's trying to get attention, but this attention you are trying to get, attention now. You will get the attention, and probably we get wanted the attention. Time I cause it 13 o'clock. Probably 13 o'clock. Time I had yours. Emazi onye geti. Ndi gwegu si itisi akpaja. Iwe chobo onye geti. Bu nene onye ge li ta anu na abo. Onwe di ho onye achi. Onye ki ibata na family. Itibe mwadi just because na no bata. Esibe ge ejebe onye. You can imagine what we see every day. But this is why some guys will go and bring trouble, bundle trouble, and now bring into the house. This one will be disturbing the mother-in-law. It will be disturbing the sisters, and even the husband. Soon the husband will run from the house and go out. Imagine with something. Why I did this video for some guys to see what some women are saying. You know, they stay together and start saying it. These kind of things. Because some women, most of the times, people that say this thing, they don't have something to do with their life. Probably this person, of course, he doesn't have a job, a real job. He doesn't have any value to add. Says, what are you bringing to the table? Saying himself in yash. All this kind of people. This is to show you what is going on with women. Some women who see this wrong. Anyway, this clout, this girl in a chase, you go soon find them. However you feel about this video, please leave it on the comment section. Palava, you know the finish.